Welcome to another video. Just want to start this video off with saying thank you all so much, but finally got to that 1,000 mark. In fact, I think as this video is being recorded it's like 1,021, but I want to thank all of you guys that have subscribed and supported me. It means a lot. Thank you very much. I didn't think you guys were going to be that interested in it, but clearly you are, so I will keep making the content as long as you guys want, really. So like I said, thank you very much for all of the support. Thank you for all of you new and long-term subscribers. So expect more stuff. I've got loads of stuff in the pipeline. Just need to get it done, which leads me on to my next thing. Ordered a load of stuff. I finally got that oil seal, found the right one so I can stop the oil leak. So that video, once it gets delivered, that video will be getting rolled out quite quickly, so hopefully you should be seeing that next week. As you can see, I've got most of the woodwork done. There's a few bits I need to sort of tidy up a little bit, and I'm going to go in between all the little gaps. As you can sort of see all the way through and see the silver underneath, which is the heat proofing stuff, so I need to do that. And this last 4 rows, my sanding disc exploded. I'll put a picture on the screen, but yeah, that completely exploded, so I was buying a new one, and that turned up yesterday. So I can now get this lot down, sand it, put back up properly, and then start working my way down this wall, and then that'll be done then. A few little random little bits, where's it to? Like up in this corner, that'll still need to be getting done. I've got a gap up here I want to finish. There's loads of sort of finishing bits, but the main part of it will be done. But I thought I'd take a little bit of a break from doing the walls and the roof just for a little bit, because I did start filming this yesterday but didn't do a very good job of it. Actually made like a little organizery type thing. As you know, I've got these 2 tables. This one's got the fridge under it, and it's be getting a complete all the way up to the ceiling, like a unit there. And I thought, just for something here, I'll have like a little organizer. So I threw this together yesterday. As you can see, it's got the back on it. These aren't actually in yet. I need to just cut them. Oh, just need to cut the top or the side just a little bit so it sits in a bit more. And then I need to put a finisher across the front just to stop anything from falling out. But yeah, chucked that together yesterday. Quite pleased. Not actually screwed in. I've just placed it there for now. And then yeah, I'll be screwing it in from underneath. I've got like a little organizery thing. And then there's still enough room here to put stuff and be able to use it as a little table. And obviously I could still use on top of there actually. So that's pretty cool. But I want to get that finished. I did start filming it yesterday, but I've done a really poor job. But I thought I'd make another video of what I'm actually doing. I do still need to do that sub surround. So I'm really not happy with the one it is now. Really not happy with the way it is now. So it would be good to get that done. I have got a massive piece of MDF, I think. I don't know. If you're interested in the hoodie, they're on sale. I think at 20 quid at the minute. It's got the Be Slow Below logo. There is another one that I'm coming out with, but sort of been busy and haven't really got any further. Or even the lanyards. I think they're like 6 quid. Might be wrong. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I love these. They come in a bunch of different colours. But yeah, just message me if you're interested and we will sort something out. It's, yeah, hoodies are, I think, are 20 quid delivered to your door. T-shirts I think are 16 delivered to the door. Those lanyards, I swear, are like 6-7 quid delivered to your door. So nice and cheap. Like I said, I don't want to rip you guys off. I just want to get some nice clothes out there. So let's just get into this video, finish off that, and then figure out if I'm going to do the wood or the other cabinet. So let's get into this, guys. Boom, just like that. It's a new day. Got a little bit more energy today, so I want to try and utilize that a bit. I got a lot to do. I don't know how well yesterday's footage went, but I sanded the last of the roof and did this shelving unit thing. It's all now fully screwed in. It's screwed in through the bottom. Yes, I did have a few cans last night, and I got a few bits in there. I don't know what I'm going to do at the minute. I've got my little mate at the top. But just, yeah, a little glass thing just holding, I don't know what, beads, and yeah, don't know what's going to go in there. Just knickknacks, really. So that's done. I'm really pleased with that. But today we need to finish off this bit of wall. I need to get across the top done. all the way across there, and then the big wide planks over there. I was going to try and just do full lengths all the way down, including this bit. I don't know what I'm going to do about that wheel well. Cross that bridge when I get to it. Busy. Luckily enough, be a nice day today. So let's utilise it. Let's get on with this. What an absolute pain in the balls that was. Managed to get the 2 bits up above there. I do need to try and figure out something to go in that gap. But up here, I don't know what was going on. I think it's like a strengthening beam type thing. Oh yeah, there is. That's exactly where that beam goes. And I was trying to screw into it, and the screws I was snapping and everything. But it's up there. Did have to notch up here just a little bit, because this board, this up here, is just fouling up there. But it's done. Now the easy bit, get those boards up across there. Should be able to smash this out fairly quickly and easily. So let's get on it. Well, there's that bit done for now. There's a few bits I need to finish off. Up the top there, on the sands, or maybe even cut the edge a little bit so it's a little bit softer, so it's not such an aggressive thing. And one of these boards, that one there, it's a little bit it's a little bit stuck out, but they've even managed to like curve the edges, so I'll just cut them at a bit of an angle. You can see from here, you can see sort of what I mean. It's a nice little angle. I mean, I'm really pleased with that. So let's get this bit sanded before and all sanded. Everything. I even did round the wheel arch. Quite pleased with that. Got the nice edges. I haven't done this bit down there because the cushion's going to be here. And one of these, that one, I've sanded the edge a bit because obviously the kids will be sat here. I don't want anyone getting caught and hurt. And I even done the same up here just to sort of soften the edge. But I'm very pleased with how that's come out. And I've even done down the back. So I've just got a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit up on the top here and probably up on the other side of there. Still need to cut that piece, but I have a piece for that. I just need to cut it. In fact, I forgot. But look at this. Essentially we are done. I am so pleased. That was a lot of hard work, a lot of dust. Worth it though. Really do need to deal with that. Just look at that. All the way around. Need to get some, probably going to get some of that as cork, I think it's called. Put in between all the joints. But I am super pleased with this. I think that there is a job well done. But like I said at the beginning of the video, thank you guys for helping me hit the 1,000 mark. I am absolutely blown away with it. Thank you for all the interaction and everything you guys give. It just blows me away that people are actually interested, so thank you very much. I have got a load of stuff coming up. I bought myself some fiberglass putty for the roof. Get that finally watertighted. And like I say, got the welding on the Audi, got the oil seal on this to do, the steering wheel I still need to get around to, loads more bits on this, building the cabinet. So yeah, but I'm super pleased with how this has turned out. I think in total this is 9 pallets worth of wood, sanded down. I ended up using 2 of those sanding discs on an angle grinder. But that's obviously not including the actual bench, the 2 tables, or the back bit. That's literally just the walls. So I am super pleased to start putting some stuff up. I want to put a shelf, pretty much the whole length of this, on the top above the window. Hang my hats up, and yeah, I got loads of ideas. We'll get there eventually. I'm just very pleased that this part is now done. Right, well, I'm going to go enjoy my cider, enjoy the last of the sun, and get ready and cook some tea. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for everything. I'm absolutely blown away by this, so cheers guys. If you like what I've done to the van, please give it a great big thumbs up. It really helps push the channel out. Share it, all the good stuff. But that's it for this one. I'm gonna go. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy guys.